In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a form, a Google form, so that you can have one copy that is in one language and a separate copy that's in a different language. So all I've done here is created a brand new form. You can name it, I'll just call it quiz. If you want to rename it, that's fine. So the first thing I need to do is set it up. And I'm going to start that by making the first question be, what language do you speak? So my first question will be, choose language, or my language. And I'm pretending that this is my second language is going to be French. So I'm going to type my language in French as well. And then the options will be English, or French. Now that I have it set up, I need to add a section for English and a section for French. These two bars right here, that's your section button. So I'm going to click that, and I'm going to have my first section be English. It doesn't matter what order you put them in, that's just the order that I'm putting them in. And my second one will be French. Now, when I go back up here to the top, and I edit this question, I need to turn on the go to response. These little vertical dots, I'm going to click on those, and I'm going to choose go to section based on answer. By default, it puts in go to the next section. Instead, I want it to go to whatever language section they have selected. The next thing I need to do are add questions in those sections. So I'm going to go down to the English one, and I'm going to add a question. And my first question will be a fill in the blank. And I want to know what the child's name is. And then I can continue to add questions as I want, just typing the answers in and typing the text in English. After I've done that, I'm going to go down to the French part. Same thing. I'm going to add questions that are going to be in French. Now, it will not translate for you. You have to know the translation yourself. So you'll have one section of the first language, a separate section of the second language. The last thing you have to do to make this work is at the bottom of the first language section. Right now it says go to the next section. If we do that, they're going to finish the English part and then go straight to the French part. Instead, we want to choose submit the form. Let's see what that looks like. Here's my form. The first question is, what is your language? First I'm going to choose English, and that takes me to the English one. And then notice how it now says submit down here. Okay, I'm going to back up. This time I'm going to choose French. And when I say next, it now has the same question in French. And that's all there is to it.